Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Foodie Takeoff. Today we are presenting another brand new vlog from East London. I'm here in East London Mosque for Taraweeh and I hope everyone's doing well and Ramadan's going well. Everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. Stay with us, stay tuned for new upcoming videos for Ramadan. I hope you guys will like it and please keep support us and enjoy my vlogs. Alhamdulillah, almost 10,000 Muslims are praying together in this East London Mosque altogether. MashaAllah.
From Egypt, stroke UK, Sheikh Hazim Saif from Egypt, and Sheikh Said Anizul Haq from UK. And Sheikh Abdul Qayyum will briefly introduce them in a moment, inshallah. In terms of Isha and Taraweeh,
إلى الناس.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كل عام وأنتم الله تبارك وتعالى. تقبل الله منكم صالح الأعمال.
الشيخ عمام إن شاء الله فليتفضل مشكورا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كل عام وأنتم بخير. تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال.
الشيخ عبد الرحمن تفضل ما شاء الله. He's here already with us, but again,
Assalamu alaikum. Blasphemy. Barakallahu fikum. May Allah accept all of our efforts and make that month of Ramadan is our opportunity to be closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Barakallahu fikum.
Hadith, you know him as well, inshallah, regular imam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from us all and keep us all sincere throughout the month of Ramadan. I'm sure you're probably getting bored of seeing me, but inshallah, we're here for a long time, inshallah. Allah keep us all sincere and accept from us all, ameen.
جزاكم الله خيرا. إذا تفضل إليه restart إن شاء الله.
After Taraweeh prayer, we must need a cup of tea. As a Bengali, after we praying, we love to have a tea. Same thing here in London. You find tea places around in East London, Whitechapel, everywhere nowadays, and everyone having different tea quality and different types of tea they are selling. Green leaf is a most loving tea they sell. I love to have a green leaf tea, and we always come here to have green leaf tea after praying. Mary Jan non-stop in Whitechapel. So if you like to have tea with cookies and other stuff, it's like a snack, so you can come to non-stop. So you'll find here karak chai, malai chai and other range of teas. So there is a large and regular option available for you guys, and there's a brownies, there is a loads of cookies, and there's a wide range of desserts available. There's a Asian desserts available as well. There's lots of cakes and snacks is there. So if you want to come here, then you can spend good quality of time with tea and snacks. So this option as well after Taraweeh. Later 1:30 we went for desserts, as we were craving for sweets, and we went to Creams for waffles. And as you can see, Creams decorated with Ramadan decoration, and it looks good. And I ordered strawberry and banana waffle, which is drizzled with Nutella, chocolate Nutella, and Carly's chocolate on top, and there's a vanilla ice cream also. Everything was good, and after this I'm going home, and later we'll have safari, and inshallah we'll go for the prayer. And this is how we started our Ramadan, and let's see, we will share with you guys all Ramadan with you. And if you guys like our videos, please hit the subscribe button. Alhamdulillah, just now we are done with the sahri, and now I'm heading to Mosque for Fajr prayer. And this Ramadan, inshallah, I'll show you our timetable for Ramadan and what we do in Ramadan. This Ramadan, more interesting videos are coming, guys, so stay tuned and stay with us. You guys will like this Ramadan video, trust me. So I'll show you guys what's happening in Ramadan in London, and I'll keep updated all iftars and sahris, and I'll give you nice videos for you guys. So if you guys like our video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the like button, and please do share, likes, comment. Okay guys, see you in the mosque.
كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم.
Thank you for watching our full vlogs. I hope you guys are liking our vlogs, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also don't forget to do likes, comments and share. There's a new vlogs are coming soon, so keep an eye to our channel, and stay well, stay blessed in Ramadan. Take care.